Backed by $267,000 in new funding, Nina Energy is scaling carbon-negative technologies that turn agricultural and forestry waste into clean energy. The company builds pyrolysis and gasification systems that convert biomass into biochar and solid biofuels. It also designs full industrial plants and provides maintenance, so clients can adopt the technology easily. Biochar captures carbon and stores it in a stable form. It can be used in agriculture, water filtration, animal feed, or even food production. Torrefied biomass replaces coal in heating, drying, and steam generation, cutting emissions without changing existing systems. Nina Energy also supplies thermal generators and integrated equipment that run on these upgraded fuels. This helps businesses lower both costs and emissions. The company grew out of Andes Bioenergy and has been recognized by ISC3 and Elsevier for innovation in sustainable chemistry. With new funding and proven technology, Nina Energy is turning waste into renewable energy and helping industries move closer to a carbon-negative future.